This was found a couple of days ago. It's one of the people that came out from a very old Lego set. As you can see, his sword's pretty fucked up because, of course, he's pretty old. And that ugly face and that mustache. But yeah, I don't remember what set it is. His head's really loose, but you know, it can be fixed back. Um, that's the only problem with it, you know. Like I said, I don't remember which set it is, but it is from the set. Like I said, there's the sword. It's pretty fucked up. But yeah, I haven't seen this since, God, since I was like 7 or 8, and it was found. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let's show you the back. There's nothing much on the back here, but yeah, there it is.